But there are also other types of materials. For example, we have here tile ceramic floor, and this is only a thermal setting of the material. So you cannot replace this material with the thermal settings, but rather you can add to the asset. So when I click on add here, you can notice that thermal gets added to this material. Similarly, physical as well. If you want to add a physical entity into your material, you can search for tile, and we have a tile porcelain physical entity, and we could add this in as well. So you can notice physical gets added, thermal gets added, and so on. And if you want to remove it, you can simply right click here and click on delete. Perfect. Now what we can do is we can go to graphics and make sure we are using render appearance. And then to show the tiles in our floor plan, what we need to do is we need to add a surface pattern to our foreground. So we can click here. We need to add a model hatch so that we can select from which point we will be laying the tiles. So let's select model hatch and let's select the suitable hatch from here. Now, if you do not find your suitable hatch, you can create a new fill pattern. Let's call this tile 2 feet by 2 feet. This can be a cross hatch, angle can be 0, and the spacing can be 2 feet by 2 feet. Now let's add this in. Let's change the color as well. Let's make it a bit darker. Let's click on apply and let's click on OK to close. Now we've just created the type. Now we need to place the floor in place as well. So what we can do is we can select the structural lines. So click on pick lines and select the structural lines here. Now, of course, when you click on finish edit mode, you get an error because it is not a closed loop. So make sure it is a closed loop. And then click on finish edit mode. Now, if you do not see your flow pattern, it may have to do with your visibility settings. So tap VV to open your visibility settings, or you can go to view and click on visibility settings here. And then what you need to do is you need to go to your flow category, and you can notice that our patterns are hidden. So simply click on this option and make sure you click on clear overrides. So when you click on clear overrides, you can notice that our background pattern gets added and our foreground pattern. So now you can notice that we've added our floor into the model, and this is a 2-inch thick floor.